kind of stuff before, and I have stuff listed from time to time. I'd really prefer not to. All right, looks like we're a few minutes behind schedule, so let's get started with our 2019-2020 Donruss Optic Basketball Choice Random Player One Box Break number 1. Howdy Doc, good to see you this evening. Welcome to the chat. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once. Let's see if I can get my mouse to cooperate. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4, and lucky number 5. So we got Mike in the top spot and Jason in the bottom spot. Alrighty, so I'll blow our list up, cut and paste it over to the right. I do know there's some folks in this break that this might be the first time that they've broken with us, or broken with us for the first time in a long time. So if you happen to be watching live and have any questions, by all means, please put those in the chat and I'll do my best to answer them. So Jason is in the Zion spot. Sort this list by everybody's names. We'll scroll through our list so everybody can see who they have. And then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Oh, did you, Daniel? Did you pick these up last night by chance? Okay, yeah, you got them yesterday. Well, good. At least it worked for this. Sometimes that happens, though. Not the end of the world. If that's the worst thing that happens to us today, I think we'll be all right. You know what? I forgot to switch screens over as I was going through the list. So let's go back up here. I apologize for that. Didn't even notice it till I looked over to my streaming software. Alrighty, I will scroll through the list yet again. My bad. Sorry about that. Yeah, maybe we'll hit Sekou. I think you got Cam too, didn't you? Well, see, I went through the list the first time, Brian. I had it on the wrong screen. I'm sitting here in the silence, and I'm paging down. But then I look at my streaming software. I'm like, oh wait, I'm still on the random screen. So this is actually the second time I went through the list. But luckily, this time you all can see it, which is what counts. Alrighty, now that we have all seen the list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So this is a 6-card 1-pack box. There's our pack, which will sit there. Our first card is Quindary Weatherspoon, silver rated rookie. Shoot, let me get some more sleeves out. Our next card is a red Domantas Sabonis Choice Prism. It is exactly the same. It looks like the Topps Mojo pattern, like with the blue refractor auto that we pulled earlier out of Bowman Chrome. Very nice though. Our next card is a Kevin Porter Jr. Signature Series Red Choice Prism. Let's see if it's serial numbered. No, not serial numbered. That's all right, Brian. I knew what you meant. It is a little high risk, high reward. Then our next card is a Jaren Jackson Jr. Green Choice Prism. Not numbered. And then we have a Darius Garland. And again, this is the Choice Prism pattern. Little Darius Garland rated rookie. Yeah, I definitely like the color palette that they use for the prisms. And I like the pattern, even though it's the Mojo, Topps Mojo pattern. It looks really nice with these. And then our last card in the box, Terrence Mann Choice Prism. Alrighty. Well, now that we've went through our cards, let's go back to our list and see who got which ones. Let me make sure I put the list actually on the screen. There we go. So we'll start off with the one card in the box that's not exclusive to the SKU, and that would be our Quindary Weatherspoon rated rookie silver. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is our Terrence Mann Choice Silver Prism rated rookie. And that goes to Daniel. Congrats on that, Daniel. Daniel J, very nice. And then next is our Darius Garland rated rookie, and that's the Choice Prism version. And that goes to Chris. Congrats on that, Chris. And then next we have our Jaren Jackson Green Choice Prism. And that goes to Eric. Congrats on that, Eric. And then next we have our Domantas Sabonis Red Choice Prism. And that goes to Chris as well. Congrats on that. And then last but not least is our Kevin Porter Jr. Signature Series Red Choice Prism. And that goes to Daniel F. Congratulations on that. Well, alrighty. Well, that concludes our 2019-2020 Donruss Optic Basketball Choice Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to all of you that joined us on the live feed for the break this evening. And that concludes our breaks for the night. Hope everybody had a good time. I know I certainly did. Appreciate seeing all of you in chat this evening as always. It's always great. Hearty welcome to the new folks that joined us this week. Hopefully we'll see you back next week. And hope everybody enjoys the rest of your night and the rest of your weekend. And I'm going to shut the stream off here in a second and start uploading some videos and spend some time. It's not often that I have both of my daughters in the house at the same time, so I'm going to get that done so I can spend a little time with them this evening. But thanks again, everybody, and we'll hope to see you next Saturday. Thanks again, y'all.